These status update, I feel bad coming on. Gambling down with a brown mellow. I'm down with a mellow, bro. We got enough booze. What's that? We got enough booze. Oh shit. I want the red wine, that's not really much of a thing. I got a scotch. There. I want a red.
I got time for again.
That should be a half cup. No. It should be sitting there crying.
One more.
It's shut up, it's not past one. Shit. Them cunts I boycotted. Let's go and have a look.
One more.
Let's see if she takes back. Well, we can need some more booze anyway. Let's just press the block on this.
I'm alright now, I'm alright.
No, she found me!